In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your content in HubSpot. We'll walk through this using a blog post as an example, but the same idea applies to other types of content as well. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot and how to safely update your URL, or slug, so it's cleaner and more search-friendly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your cursor to the menu on the left side of the screen. Hover over the section labeled Content. When you do this, you'll see different types of content appear, such as website pages, landing pages, and blog. Each of these sections has its own list of content, and you can change URLs in any of them. For this walkthrough, choose the blog option so we can focus on a blog post. After you click blog, you'll see a list of all your existing blog posts. Take a moment to find the specific post whose URL you want to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of posts. Once you've found the right one, click on the blog title to open it in the editor. Inside the blog editor, look toward the top of the screen. You'll notice several drop-down menus or tabs. Find the one labeled Settings and click on it. This will open up a panel with different options for your post. From here, select General. The General section is where HubSpot keeps the basic details about your content, like the title, language, and importantly for us, the URL. Within the general settings, look for the area labeled Post URL or similar wording. In this section, you'll see the current slug for your blog post. The slug is the part of the URL that comes after your main domain, and it's what you're going to edit. Click into the slug field and type the new version you'd like to use. Keep it short, descriptive, and focused on your main keywords. Avoid unnecessary words and use hyphens between words instead of spaces or underscores. For example, something like how to change HubSpot URL is much clearer than a long sentence. When you're happy with the new slug, confirm or save your changes in the editor. HubSpot will update the URL based on what you entered. And that's it. You've successfully changed the URL of your content in HubSpot.